Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Remember, this video is not financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing his opinion, and this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Wowee wee woo woo. So guys and gals, guess what? Crypto is up like crazy, guys. Things are looking pretty good for the crypto space right now. We're seeing that overall Bitcoin is up. It's over $41,549. So you guys should be really just going insane in the membrane. So it's a great time to be alive. And we're seeing that the crypto markets are rebounded. Is this a bounce? Is this a bounce to the upside that we've been looking for? And as I've been talking about, that the $40,000 is a huge resistance level. Our next big resistance level for Bitcoin is going to be about $42,000. So we're up like 12% right now. Amazing, amazing. So why is this happening? What's causing all of this positivity in the house? Well, we're going to talk about that, and you know, it's mind blowing, guys. So where will this bounce stop? Nobody knows, but I think that this bounce is going to be continuing going uppity up. And so let's just review all of the coins in the house. Let's take a look at the price action, and then we're going to talk about some of the news and some of the catalysts that's causing the crypto markets to go up. And the Dogecoin is up too right now. So we're seeing right now that overall Bitcoin is up 12%. We're seeing that Ethereum is getting pretty close to breaking past $3,000, and that's up over 11% right now. We're seeing BNB is getting pretty close to $400, and that's up 7.7%. ADA is up 8%. Solana is up a whopping 10.43% right now, and Solana is at 111. So that's a great number, guys. That's absolutely a great number. Luna's up 7%. DOT is up 9%, and the Dogecoin in the house right now is trading at around almost 14.7. So we just have to break past our 15-cent resistance level. So I think we're going to get up there, guys. Just a matter of time. And if we're, for the Shiba Army out there, Shiba Army is up 9.52%, and it's at 23. So we still got lots of room to go and lots of rooms to grow with the Shiba Inu army. And it looks like the Shiba Inu army is not happy right now because there was Shiba Inu, the developers were hyping up this big, huge announcement, and it turned out that Shiba Inu is tying up with the like an Italian fast food chain out in the US. So a lot of people are really not happy about that because they're expecting something bigger and better and bolder to come out for that. So, you know, and the Dogecoin devs have been talking about the community a lot, and that the community ethos for Dogecoin needs to remain positive in the house. We're seeing that Matic right now is also up. It's up like almost 10%, and that's a 169. So what is causing all of this humongous rise to the top side? Well, there's a couple of things that came out, and I talked about it in my previous video. Remember, we had the jobless report data that came out, so that was better than expected. Looks like you know, the jobless report came out. They were anticipating about 3.9% unemployment, but in fact it was only about 4%, so it was pretty much in line. And we saw that in fact there was about 476,000 new jobs that were added last month as well. So that is pretty bullish, you know, considering that, you know, this whole Omicron thing that's been going around. People are expecting that the jobless report was going to be really bad. It was going to be a real disaster in the house, but it turned out to be better than expected. So this is also helping push the crypto markets uppity up. So that is pretty interesting in the house. And as I was saying earlier, the Dogecoin developers have been you know, kind of giving a warning to all of the Dogecoin community out there, and they just want the community to be more positive, less vitriolic, and you know, because there seems to be this kind of negativity from some parts of the community that you know, any other meme coin that comes out, they seem to be on the attack mode. So I think what Billy Marcus was trying to tell us all out there is, if we want to have mainstream adoption for the Dogecoin, and we want more and more retailers to ape into it and offer it as a payment option, then we don't want to have a toxic coin, and we don't want to have a toxic community. So I think it's really important that you all out there be positive and stop going on attack mode. Stop being vitriolic against Shiba Inu. You stop being vitriolic against all the other meme coins and just other cryptos in general. Remember, there's enough room for all of us out there in the space. So guys, learn to grow up, learn to be positive, learn to be respectful of other projects and other communities out there, because you know there's not one coin that fits all. I mean, look at the OG. I'm holding the Doge. I'm holding a ton of other coins out there as well. So speaking about other coins, we're seeing that all the layer 1 solutions out there, you know, like a Polkadot, Avalanche, Solana out there, Phantom, all of these layer one solutions are starting to take off, guys. And if we talk about recovery mode, you're going to start to see that all the layer one solutions are going to start to make some huge pumpity pump. Now, some other positive news that is also contributing to this whole upside, to this whole top side, is that we had the non-compete act. And remember, they had this like disastrous crypto provision in there that the Treasury Secretary could actually stop any international transactions of crypto. So that provision has gone to the House, and that act has gone to the House, but that provision has been taken out of there. So this is a huge big win for the crypto space, for the crypto holders in general. So that is really bullish news in the House. So this should be something that you guys should be excited about, because if that non-compete act did get passed with the crypto provision, that is a very toxic and very acidic provision that would have given the government and the institution and the man out there sweeping powers to basically stop transactions, cross-check transaction, and put the whole stymie on there. And then also too, we did have the recent IRS court case that IRS lost, and they have said that any rewards from staking on cryptocurrency are not taxable. So that is also huge. Then we had this other tax, the other tax regulations came out that any transactions under $200 would not be taxable. So this is kind of forward-looking thinking, because what that means is that cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, if you're using it as a medium exchange to buy things online or buy things at retail, as long as it's under $200, you don't have to pay any capital gains tax. So that is a big win for the crypto space and the crypto community. So these are some of the catalysts that are moving the markets up. We also saw some of the stocks on the Nasdaq also move up in positive territory, like Snapchat. So they came out with really huge earnings. Looks like Amazon earnings came out really positive. So these are some of the huge catalysts that are sending the price of crypto up. So we also saw, as I said in my previous video, we had a lot of shorts got liquidated yesterday. And the majority of the liquidations for the leverage apes, the apes out there were leveraging, but they were taking short positions, so they completely got wiped out, and that eliminated pretty close to about $300 million worth of leverage shorts out there. So that created a little bit of a short squeeze as well. So because they had to buy back those positions, so that is all another catalyst that also push Bitcoin higher and higher. So all of these catalysts combined together have created the perfect storm to push Bitcoin over 41,500 at time of recording, guys. So remember, the prices are changing. So by the time I get this video to you, the prices could have already changed. So where do I see Bitcoin going in the short term? Well, you guys all know that we have some resistance between the $39,000 and $42,000 level. So my next stop for Bitcoin is going to be $42,000. If we can bridge that, get past that, then that is going to be huge in the house, and that will signal more upside. And then once we get past the $42,000 area, then hitting $50,000 again for Bitcoin is inevitable. It is inevitable. It is pre-programmed. It is printed in there. But we just need to keep vigilant. We need to keep a watch on the $42,000 resistance level right now. I have a feeling that we're going to blow past this. This is going to be amazing weekend. This could be a huge pumping up weekend. So if you guys are pumped, don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. And some other stuff that's coming in right now as well. With all of this stuff that happened, all of this momentum that's happening, we're also seeing that the metaverse is in a potential explosion mode. We have Microsoft, we have Apple, we have Disney that are now looking to ape into metaverse. So keep an eye on gaming and metaverse. Also, big rumors are circulating that Facebook could be buying Sandbox, guys and gals. So if that happens, you could see Sandbox price absolutely spike and go to the moon. So don't forget, we also got lots of catalysts for the Doge Wozer out there. The Doge Wozer. We got the Doge One. We've got the Doge Cube that's going to go to the moon, and all of that kind of stuff that's coming. And we also got the Ethereum bridge. I talked about proof of stake that's going to be coming for the Doge Wozer soon. So there's a huge catalyst out there, guys and gals. So I wouldn't panic too much. Things are looking like a good reversal. So how high can this bounce go? I think that $50,000 is inevitable. right now, talking about Dogecoin, getting back into Dogecoin. Dogecoin has some serious resistance at 15 cents. I really need Doge to giddy on up, and what we really need is we really need to have a stellar announcement from the devs. We need to have this Doge one to happen. We need to have these catalysts happen. And what would be really nice, if Vitalik, if you're listening out there, we really need you to give us a roadmap of when we're going to see the Ethereum Dogecoin bridge. We know that Ethereum 2.0 is coming, but we don't have any concrete time frames. And when we don't have concrete time frames, it kind of makes people nervous. It kind of makes people wondering what's going on. So we really would love to see those concrete time frames, and that would make the community a lot happier, and at least will give us a target that we can go after and nail after. So that is coming. These things are absolutely coming. The Ethereum Doge bridge is going to be happening around about Q1, so that should be sometime in April. But sometimes these in crypto projects, timelines can be fluid and flexible because things change, right? Maybe Vitalik got a headache. So that is what is going on. But you can see right now that the Dogecoin developers are actually getting a little bit more active out there, and that's why they're sending these not warnings. They're kind of giving advice to the crypto community, giving advice to the Dogecoin community that don't be so toxic out there. And it's really important because, just imagine, I want to convince a retailer to accept Doge as a form of payment, but then the retailer does some D&D, some research on the community, and they find out, oh my OMG, that the Dogecoin community is toxic. Well, they're going to not want to do that. So that's why it's up to you and me, the Dogecoin holders, the Dogecoin community. You guys got to create the positive vibe out there, because it's going to be a much harder sell to convince retail. It's raining again. Convince retail to sign up for Doge. So guys and gals, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. I love you guys to death. I'm out here on my balcony. Well, not my balcony. It's kind of like my veranda here, and it's raining again. It looks like Chinese New Year is almost over. I hope this. It's been raining now for like 6 or 7 days. It's gone cold. It's like 17 degrees Celsius. I mean, for me, it's chilly, really, out there. When I was in the south of Vietnam, it was like 29, 30 degrees. When I was in Indonesia, same. When I'm in Singapore and Thailand, same. But here, it's in Hawaii, it's chilly, really. It's chilly. Even Da Nang is warmer than here right now. So that is, so it's chilly, really. I hate the rain and I hate the cold. I'm a sunshine guy. I love the sunshine from California. So I need to see the sun, guys. So guys and gals. So that's just a little bit what's going on over here with the OG in the house. So guys, I just want to say God bless you guys. I know a lot of you are feeling good. I mean, my portfolio as a totality is up about 13-14%. So I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. When you wake up and you make a Lambo overnight for sleeping, I love that. So remember, don't panic in the house. I think there's more and more good news, better news coming, guys. And I think you're going to love it. I absolutely think you're going to love it. Springtime is the now time. And we're going to see crypto go to the moon. And we're going to see Doge hitting 20 cents in the springtime, guys. So if you love me and I love you guys, I'm just so excited, guys. I'm kind of speechless, because I have been talking for a long time that we were going to get this breakout. And there was a lot of Debbie Downers who are, just cussing on me and giving me all the negative comments, saying I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, all I got to say to you, Debbie Downers, go back under your rocks. Thank you very much. Proof is in the pudding. Bitcoin is over 41,500. Ethereum is about to break 3,000. So I told you it's going to happen. So all I got to say to you, all the haters out there, is now what do you got to say? The numbers don't lie. It's in your face. Booyah! All right, guys, peace out. Don't forget to go down there once again. Smash the likes. Follow me on Twitter. Jump on over to the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel. You know you got to do that. Show some love over there. She needs some love. And don't forget to check out the merch. Merch up with OG. Get the merch, guys. You're gonna love it. I love it. Let's get it. Woo! See you in the next one, guys. Smash the like. And don't forget the super chats, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Woo!